Hey COB team, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine regardless of this Naira palaver. Okay, so if you are watching from Nigeria, please tell me, do small apropos for me, what is the Naira exchange rate at your side? Yeah, because guys, it is not easy around here. Some area around my neighborhood, you have to pay 4,000 Naira to get 10,000. Like who does that? You are giving away 4,000 Naira for your 10,000 Naira, so you only go home with 6K. So guys, how are you pulling on? How are you coping? Like, we still have to chop now, and we still have to eat good food. So I am coming here to teach you guys how I made this soup with 1,900 Naira, approximately, yes, 2,000 Naira. Because I cannot stress myself after paying, like, I'm not going to even feel paid that 4K to get 6K. So you guys to do it the bank way or any other way, then you will go to the bank and suffer all the queue, the sun, the stress, and then they'll end up giving you 10K. So you now come and use like 5K or 6K to cook soup. How much will come remain for you to go back the next day to go and start passing through the stress or all of that? We got to find a way out. So you guys stay tuned and learn how you can make a very good, delicious, healthy pot of soup with just 1,900, or I don't know, you can increase it if you have more access to money. Okay, so this is to your power. Okay, so here I just bought few things to make this pot of delicious oha soup, and that oha there is 250, the crayfish is 200, the ogiri is 50 Naira, the pepper is 100 Naira, this uziza is 100 Naira. Okay, that's about 700 there. And then I bought this ice fish for 1,200 Naira. So when you sum it up, 1,200 plus 700, that is 1,900 Naira. Okay, and guys, the soup came out so nicely. It came out so yummy. If you were not told, you no go know. And by the way, you must not use meat now. Some people don't even eat meat, so you see that is a complete dish. All right, so let's get cooking. I just washed the beef, yeah, and then did I say beef? Sorry guys, the meat, the ice fish, yes. And then I blended the fresh pepper, the crayfish, and then one bulb of onion. Pour it right in there. Added some salt for seasoning. Just give it a shake, you know, to make it go round, and then I put it on the flame. So what am I doing here, guys? I am melting the thickener. This is a cocoyam powder. Okay, on the channel there is a procedure for, you know, for this, on how you can get this. So I just take some spoons, about 3 spoons, and then I melted it with what do you call it, palm oil. Yeah, you can melt it with cold water, but it's, you know, best and smoother to melt it with your palm oil. Okay, if you haven't liked this video already, please, what are you waiting for? Give it a thumbs up. Please kindly share my videos, guys. Help this growing channel to grow faster. Thank you, and God bless you. So here I am untying the ogiri. This is a deal breaker in some pot of soups. One of such pot of soups is a oha soup. So I threw it in there and then melted everything. And here, back to this one, it's already well steamed, so it is time to add water. Okay, so this is the water for the soup, and that was just okay. So I let it to keep on boiling there while I go back to, you know, homogenize this. It's okay now, so let's get back to the boiling pot. Ooh la la, it's boiling so nicely. So it is time to introduce the thickener mixed with palm oil. So just done with that now, and added 2 cubes of no seasoning, yeah, and then let it to boil for some time Open it up again and see that it's already getting butter. Yeah, so nicely, smells so nice. And I just added the hot leaf, uziza leaf. This is also a deal breaker in oha soup. Okay, you have to add it. Yeah, so after a few seconds I added the oha leaf. At this point, guys, this my delicious pot of soup made with 1900 it's ready, like this. It's ready. Okay, I just put it out, from the flame, and I'm trying to dish, for myself, so I can enjoy and relax. This time when you finish eating it, you enter your bathroom, pour cold water, and then lie down. Okay, guys, this is where we'll call it a day on this. I hope you have liked this video. Please leave me a comment on the comment section. Let me know where you are watching me from and how is it about Naira over there. Bye.